testing for CGU videos.
Sir, what'd you say?
Testing! 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 Testing!
Hey, Ragnarok.
Yeah, I'm here.
Hey, Ragnarok.
Making maps, and he probably has some griffball map that we have never seen before, and we shall have fun with.
Harder,
I don't need you. If we're playing this again, give me your King of Hearts the Falcon. We have a good strategy.
No, we're doing
It's like Griffball's party.
amazing strategy, and we will
I need
not
a
die.
I'm actually
Don't
captured
pull
now.
Brady school.
Ragnarok
Oh,
Ragnarok, whatever I do,
Concentrate on that
take
thing.
me.
I'm not.
Harder. Oh, the teams are uneven now.
Hey, Ragnarok, where did Manitoba go?
No, the only reason why
Well,
he's
the
joining
teams are
I
even.
need to
Yes,
be
the
capturing
teams are
so
even.
he
They're fine.
cannot be on. So, this is probably the only game
Oh,
I'll be
hey guys,
capturing.
Brady joined.
We're doing the same one.
Oh yeah.
Brady joined.
Oh god.
Yeah,
Let's boost the apple.
Run to the Falcon.
Sweet. I'm going to be capturing this, and it's going to be on YouTube for everyone to see.
Why didn't we go to blue team? Blue team has awesome stuff.
Yeah, but we
I like red team.
still take them out the Falcon, prove we're better than them. Alright, Luke.
Dude, I got
Capture
flattered
the
by the
flag.
Falcon.
Or reluctant beast.
Get in the Falcon, go, go, go. All done.
Yeah, it is. Second slow.
Get back. They're gonna be bombarding us with our own vehicles.
Wait. I want to be in the top.
At Ragnarok?
Yeah. I'm not going to go very far because I'm going to be right now. I'm capturing.
I'm already over there.
Bouncy.
Dude, stop bouncing
Sure.
this fly.
Bounce. Bounce.
Fun. Don't go too high.
Alright. Brady, you're just gonna be a big roadblock.
Okay, I'll get it. Thanks. I'll just stay here and snipe. You guys can go on without me. Oh, crap, shoot him. Shoot him!
Okay, good job, Brady. Turn. He's down.
Oh, look at that. I didn't even try.
I made Carter fly all the way across there. Thanks. Drop another drop shield. Brady.
Who else has
Let's
inclement
do this.
weather?
What are all our vehicles?
No, Brady, you're a roadblock, not. I guess I gotta go save
let's
him.
just berserk him. Just run. Just run over there. Let's go.
Can't run, I
Come on.
can fly.
Okay, well, just let's go. After
No, Brady,
just
just go.
You can
Just
have
go,
it.
Brady. I'm going after Sniper.
Damn it. Get off my ghost.
Dang it.
Flag taken.
Run, fella, run. Brady. Cool, Brady, run. I saved your life, Brady.
Looks like I'm covering you in long. This is last big song.
Oh
Damn
man.
it, what?
Why the hell does it have to do that right when I'm jumping off a cliff?
I think King of Hearts left.
And I'm trying to live when I'm jumping off that cliff.
I hate that it always turns off armor abilities when you do that.
Yeah, me too.
He did that right as I'm jumping off the cliff to get to the
Who's doing
plasma
that?
launcher.
I'm probably gonna be going in about
Going
a
into
minute
wall to
now.
get down.
So, ta-ta.
And it's lagging.
Soon.
We're gonna like lagging off.
We're gonna die.
Flag taken. Flag.
Feel flag so I completely forget where I am and I die. That's wonderful.
Flag dropped.
I want Carter's head, so this has to be one really perfect shot.
Wait, where's our vehicles?
God damn.
Ah, we blow up their good. Going after sniper spawn.
I got the sniper. Oh, damn it, I'm sure.
I know you got the sniper. I'm just going.
Guys,
well, I
our
was
flag
going
is so
to
close.
before.
Or their flag. Let's get it.
No, they got it
They
back.
have their flag running back to our base. And I'm like running in there. What?
Flag
How was it go?
reset.
Seriously, how do I die?
I don't know. That's gay. Damn it.
Oh.
No! Give me my freaking ghost. Give me my
Fine.
fucking doing that.
Okay.
You just have to
I'll
ask.
see you guys.
Gee.
I'm going.
Oh, Carter, why do you
I
leave,
was not-
Carter?